Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. This is the messages from your divine masculine to divine feminine who are not in contact. Okay, what are the messages from your divine masculine to divine feminine, DM to DF who are not in contact? Okay, so let's see what are the messages. I hope it resonates with you, but if it doesn't resonate with you, so you can skip it out and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, because this is the collective general messages from the divine masculine, from the DM. So let's see what are the messages from divine masculine to the divine feminine who are not in contact. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages, okay, which are important for you. And let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Let's see, let's start your messages and let's see what are the messages from the divine masculine. So the first message for you is, you respect everything I like. You respect everything I like is a message from your divine masculine. Is it possible to forgive and forget? They want to know from you that is it possible to forgive and forget? You are smart and practical. You make me a positive person. So your divine masculine wants to know you basically that is it possible for you to forgive and forget, because you make them a positive person. Okay, you make the divine feminines, you make them a positive person. They find you smart and practical, and they want to ask you that is it possible to forgive and forget. Let's see more. What are the more messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine? Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine who are not in contact with each other, who are in twin flame journey, who do not have any contact with each other. Give me the messages. Please connect me in 5D. And while shuffling also I was seeing this message. Your divine masculine wants you to connect in 5D. They want you to connect them in 5D. Any other message from divine masculine? Okay. We will be together again. They are saying you that we will be together again. Bottom of the deck I'm having, I need more time to figure out things out. Okay, they need more time to figure out things. Okay, and they want to say you that we will be together again. Beautiful. These are the messages which flip out, and the messages were, you are always ready to help me. You are always ready to help me. You make me laugh continuously, constantly. Something is still missing for me and I am trying to figure out what that is. They are thinking that something is missing inside of them, and they are still finding out that what is that thing which is missing inside of them. Okay, you are my best friend. Your divine masculine is saying that you are my best friend. I feel badly for the way that I treated you. You did not deserve that. Divine feminine, very, very beautiful message. They know that they have treated you very bad, and they want to know that is it possible to forgive and forget. Okay, is it possible to forgive and forget, because they feel very bad for the way that they treated you, and they know that you did not deserve that. Okay, Let me see more message. Any other message? I'm not going to take these, okay? But I'm going to take this. Let's see. You do things to make me happy. Maybe you, divine feminines, you do things to make them happy. So they are saying that you do things to make me happy. You love me. They know that you love them. You love me. Okay, let me see more. Any other message? Any other message? No. You sound sexy over the phone. Okay. They like your voice basically. So they found your voice very sexy over the phone. Then there is, you are the only one I wanna be with. You are the only one I wanna be with. So this is the messages, beautiful messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine, with whom you both are not in contact, with no contact situation. So these are the messages which they want to say. They want you to connect in 5D, and they are asking you that is it possible to forgive them. Okay, they know that you are someone with whom they cannot compare you with anyone else. No one compares you basically. Okay, so these were the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine. Let's add some messages from Archangel Power Tarot deck. Let's see some messages. What are the messages? What are the energies from divine masculine to divine feminine? Add one or two cards, three cards. Okay, let's add that. Okay, what are the energies of divine masculine who are not in contact with divine feminine? Give me the energies of divine masculine who are not in contact. Give me the energies of divine masculine. Six of Wands. What are the energies of Ace of Cups? Leap of Faith. Two more cards. They want to give you emotional fulfillment, cup, Ace of Cups, and they want to take a leap of faith with you, divine feminines. They want to get success. They want to, start a new chapter with you. They want to give a cup which is full of emotions. Can you please give me two more cards for divine masculine? Give me two more cards for divine masculine to divine feminine who are not in contact. What are the energies? Give me two more cards. Two more cards. Communication is coming towards you. One more. No, there are three. I want one more card. Give me one energy card more. Give me one card for divine masculine to divine feminine. What are the energies of divine masculine towards divine feminine who are not in contact with? Give me one more card. One more card. No. Okay. All has fallen out. Okay, please give me one more card. Can you please give me one more card for divine masculine to divine feminine? Yeah, finally I got it. And it's beautiful. Beautiful. Why I'm saying that? Okay, let me show you. This is Six of Wands. Okay, this is Ace of Cups. This is Fool. This is Eight of Wands. and this is Four of Wands. Can you see that? How beautiful it is. So yes, they want to take a new leap of faith with you. The communications, lot of divine masculines are going to communicate with you with divine feminines. Okay, communication is coming towards you. Lot of communication is coming towards you, and they know that you are the divine feminine for them. They know, they have that clarity in the mind that you are the one. Okay, no one compares to you. You are the only one for them. They know this clarity. This is a time for celebration, abundant rewards for the hard work. Release yourself from burdensome situations. Okay, communication is coming towards you. They want to give you the cup which is full of emotions. Okay, Ace of Cups, and they want to take a leap of faith into you, the Fool card. They want to take a leap of faith with you and move in a forward direction. They want to offer you the cup which is full of emotions. Okay, and a positive new emotion experience, fulfilling romantic relationships, deep and lasting and insights. Okay, so they want to give you emotional fulfillment. They want to they want to take a leap of faith. Communication is coming towards you from your divine masculine. They know that you are the divine feminine for them. Now they know that. And there is Six of Gabriel is here. Okay, so this is Six of Wands. That means success, recognition, victory. This is congratulations, you have done a wonderful job. Time to move on to the next project, awards, scholarship and promotion. So they have now, finally revealed. Now they are finally getting success in knowing that you are the one. You are the one for them. 1155 was the recording reading time. You divine feminines are the one with whom they are, you know uh, going to spend the rest of their life. They are now getting the clarity basically. So let me know in the comment section if you get the communication, but lot of communication is coming towards you. Let me add some messages more. What are the more messages from divine masculine? Give me the messages from divine masculine to divine feminine. See, this person can be a wealthy man. Your divine masculine can be a wealthy man. Okay, they can be a wealthy man. Maybe they are someone who is having financial abundance, and this is a courtship. So this is a new relationship, as you know that they want to start a leap of faith. This will be a new cycle, a new I can say that a new start for your relationship, as you are not in contact right now. So after this no contact zone, to start a new chapter, a new journey, you have to take care. You have to spend some more time, give more extra attention to the divine masculine if you start a new chapter with them. If you both take a leap of faith into each other, if they offer to you an Ace of Cups, beautiful cards are here. I can see that. Any other message from the divine masculine? Court house. Maybe they will ask you to get married legally. Okay, they will say you, let's go to the court. See, a mature man, and they can be a mature man here. There can be an age gap between you and them. That can be a possibility for some of you. Or they can be a mature man who is trying to, help your divine masculine, to make them understand that yes, this is your divine feminine. So there is a mature man who is involved in your life. Okay, but they are the positive mature man. Okay, they are helping you. So yeah. Wow, what was fallen out is, wait, marriage card. See, it just fell out. I told you, maybe they will take you to the courthouse. Like, oh, let's go to court and let's get married legally. Let's get officially married to each other. Maybe you get married to this person. Okay, they want to give you a cup which is full of emotions. Can you see? Emotional fulfillment they want to give you. So yes, they are coming towards you to get married. Marriage proposal is here. Some of you are going to get married very soon to your divine counterpart to your divine masculines. And this mature man can be, help you in the house. Maybe in your house there is a mature man, maybe in their house there is a mature man who is, helping this relationship to work out, to make them understand that this relation is for you only, or you both are made for each other. You both are the twin flames, the divine masculine and divine feminine. You both belong to each other, but there is a mature man who is helping in this process. Okay. And beautiful, this marriage card is here. And let me see any other message. Any other message from divine masculine? Change is coming for you. Okay, change is coming for you. Maybe right now the situation is not good, the bad health is right now. So maybe some of you are not in a bad, not in a good health. Maybe your health is not good right now, but do not worry at all. The change is coming for you. See, bottom of the deck I'm having the change, the lovers, community is working with you. Okay, main female, that's you. Divine feminine, that's you. Community is working to community is working in your favor, in your lovers, in your love life, in this, in your twin flame journey. Change is coming for you, that is for sure. And you will receive some kind of high honor. Okay, this again, the Six of Wands, here it is. Okay, Six of Wands is here. So that was the messages. That was a small short check of energies from your divine masculine who are not in contact. See, it just want to come out. They are thinking of you. They are thinking of you. Okay, they're having a thoughts of you. Basically they are missing you. That's the message I'm getting for you. They have, maybe they're looking at the pictures of you. Can you see? They're having a thoughts of you. So they are, because they know now, but they want to know that whether you are going to forgive them or not. So that's the message I am getting for you. And beautiful messages which I got for you. But they know this is your twin flame. See, Four of Wands. Communication is coming for you. They want to take a leap of faith with you. And they want to give you Ace of Cups. And they're coming towards you with the success, recognition, the victory. Now they know, they have the clarity. So yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So this was the video in which you will get the messages from your divine masculine to the divine feminine who are not in contact to each other. And sending you lots of love, light and happiness to all my twin flames, to all of you, whoever you are watching, wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages. Take care of yourself and see you soon.